Hi friends, welcome to episode 2 of HTML tutorial. No, welcome to episode 2 with HTML course. No, never mind. Okay. Here we want to talk about HTML attributes. Okay, first let's know what is HTML. No, comment. How can we comment something in HTML? Okay. Choose them all and control plus slash. Let me type it first. Let's talk about HTML attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. So, what are HTML attributes? All HTML elements can have attributes, and attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, and attributes usually come in name or value pairs, like name is equal to value. Let's talk about the href attribute. First, we should know the a tag. What is a tag? Okay, a. No. Oh, what happened? Okay. Let's write it by ourselves. Okay, this is a tag. A tag defines a hyperlink. When we want to refer our user to a link, for example, another page in our website or another website, or a photo, our Instagram link, or any link, okay? It defines a hyperlink. And for that, let's see. Click here. What do we have here? Okay, click here, but nothing happens. Why? We have an a tag. Why nothing happens? Because a tag has an attribute, and the href is a tag's attribute, and it specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. For example, I want to lead my user to google.com. Let's type google.com, the URL of the web page. We should type it here. Between two quotation marks, and let's see the result. Oh, it turns purple. Let's click on it. Voila! Our user led to google.com. Okay, here href is an attribute for a tag. So, let's learn about another attribute. First, we should know the tag that has that attribute. Image tag. img. It's image tag, and guess what? Image tag doesn't have closing tag. It's only begins tag. But where should the image go? How can we choose an image? The img tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page, and the src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed. Let's try. Okay, we can see that now. I dragged it to our folder. Okay, it's our image. We should just type in a slash for choose the location of the image in our folder. So slash, and here we go. This is our image. Public. No, it's not in public. It's here. Okay. It's the URL of our image. Let's see the result. Okay, this is our image. Oh, let's demonize it. Okay, this is our image, but it's too big. So, what can I do? I want it more little. We can add a width and height. The img tag should also contain the width and height attributes. Width and height are also other attributes for img tag, which specifies the width and height of the image in pixels. So, for example, let's give it a width, for example, height of, for example, let's see the result. It changed. Okay, but let's reset the size of our page. Oh, yes. And here is our link. Okay. Our image, our link. There is two ways to specify the URL in src attribute here. Absolute URL is the first way. Links to an external image that is hosted on another website. For example, let's try some another image. For example, tiger. Okay, this tiger. Let's copy image link, text editor, and replace it here. We'll talk about alts later. Oh, what happened? What did I do? Is that image link? Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened? Let's try another image. Copy link. Just so easy. No. Copy image link. Yeah. And paste it here. Control V. Okay. Let's check. Here. Oh, yeah, this is our image. So, we can directly use URL of an image in another website or web page and use it. And we can also give it width, height, and other things. But pay attention. External images might be under copyright. If you don't get permission to use it, you may be in violation of copyright laws. In addition, you can't control external images. It can suddenly be removed or changed from the other website, so it will be removed and changed in your website. And the second way is a relative URL. So we can link an image that is hosted within the website here in our text editor, and the URL does not include the domain name. If the URL begins without a slash, it will be relative to the current page. Example is this. For example, img it's what we had here. Pixel. Let's drag this to public folder. Okay, now we can change it. Slash in public folder, we are searching for this link. Okay, let's do it again. Slash, which says look here in this folder, public folder, and here. Okay, here we go. I know it might seem like a little bit confusing, but it's not. It's so simple. It's just you should do it yourself. You should try it yourself and do couple of examples. You learn it. It's so simple. Okay. So we learned 4 attributes till now: href, src, width, and height. Let's know about alt attribute. What is alt attribute? Let's have another image tag. Okay, I wanna comment them all. Never mind. Let's have another image tag. You see, we have source attribute, src, and alt attribute. We know src / public our image. And what is alt? Alt is actually a required attribute for the img tag, and it specifies an alternative text for an image. If the image for some reason can't be displayed, this can be due to a slow connection or an error, or etc. In the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. So it defines a description, something about the image. For example, tiger, but it's not tiger. I wanna define a tiger. We assume it's a tiger image. Okay, it's simple, nothing hard. For example, if it was a Google logo, I would type it logo, for example, Google, or just logo. It's enough for this episode. Have a nice day, everybody. Please subscribe me or tell me more about discourse in comments. I would answer them all. I would consider them all. So be yourself and tell me any recommendation you have. Have a nice day. Bye.